Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something essential for your home: how to light or turn on a Rheem water heater in 2025. Whether you're dealing with a new install or just need to relight the pilot, this guide will walk you through it step by step. It's quick, safe, and straightforward, so let's dive right in. First off, safety is always our top priority. Before you start, make sure the area around your water heater is well ventilated to avoid any gas buildup. Turn off the gas supply valve if it's not already, and give it a few minutes to dissipate any lingering gas. Wear protective gloves and keep a fire extinguisher nearby, just in case. Now, let's get to the main event. Step 1. Locate the access panel on your Rheem water heater. It's usually on the lower front or side. Carefully remove it to expose the burner and pilot assembly. If your model has an electronic ignition, skip ahead, but for most traditional ones, we'll light the pilot manually. Step 2. Find the gas control valve. It should have settings like pilot, on, and off. Turn it to pilot, and press down on the knob while you hold a long lighter or match to the pilot light opening. Keep it pressed for about 30 seconds to heat the thermocouple. Once the pilot is lit, release the knob slowly and turn it to the on position. Step 3. Check if the main burner ignites. You should hear a whoosh or see the flame kick in. If it doesn't, you might need to repeat the pilot lighting process or check for issues like a dirty orifice. Finally, replace the access panel and turn the gas supply back on if you turned it off. Give your water heater about 10 to 15 minutes to heat up, and test the hot water at a faucet to ensure everything's working smoothly. There you have it. That's how you light or turn on your Rheem water heater in 2025. If you run into any problems, consult your manual or call a professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more handy home tips. See you next time.